We are delighted to announce that Lucy's skills can now be enabled with scenario-based triggers, meaning you can program your Lucy to listen and understand specific scenarios that you or your business have already set up for. Let's have a look. So as you may know, Lucy can be enabled with specific skills that your caller can trigger over the phone. So if your caller says, give me your email address, Lucy will send them a text message with your email address. But what if there are scenarios where you want to send your email address, but the caller doesn't know that that's what they're meant to ask for? So for example, let's say you are a plumbing business. Your phone is for leads, but people are always calling you asking for tax invoices and receipts, even though you've told them before, please email the office, please email the office. That's where they're meant to go. Well, without custom triggers, you would just need to tell them every time. But with a scenario-based trigger, Lucy can recognize that these queries should be going to the office and send them the email address to do just that. All I do is click into the skill that I want to set up a trigger for, share your email address, click the optional dropdown, and specify just in plain text the scenario that you want Lucy to listen for and understand. So in this case, they have a billing issue, and click save. And that is all that is involved with setting up scenario-based triggers. Let's have a talk with my Lucy, who can now direct me to the office.
Hello, I'm an AI assistant working for Curious Thing Plumbing. My name is Lucy. Curious Thing Plumbing team is not available to take the call right now. I can take a message for you or share Curious Thing Plumbing team's email address with you. What can I do for you today?
Yeah, could I get a tax invoice from David, please?
Thank you. I understand you need a tax invoice. Please send an email to the Curious Thing Plumbing team for assistance. Would you like me to share their email address with you?
David told me to do that. I forgot. Yes, please text me the email address.
Okay, thanks. Let me read the email address for you. support@curiousthing.io. That email address again, support@curiousthing.io. If you are calling from a cell phone, you will shortly receive a text message with the email address. Please check your message app spam folder if you don't see the text. Thanks for the conversation. Enjoy the rest of your day and goodbye.
And that is scenario-based triggers. Happy to say as well that scenario-based triggers can be set up for all of Lucy's skills that you have access to, except for frequently asked questions. So let's say that you want to get support queries directed to your website instead of on your phone. It can set up a trigger for send web link. Let's say that you want to gather quote information. Then you can set up take a message, the custom, to ask for job details in that scenario. So hopefully that makes Lucy more useful.